my name is SB. Today in this video I will show you how you can stop a local backup. Firstly, I have to move my cursor to my dashboard. Then I'll come to where you can see my Dropbox for backup. I'll click on it. Then I'll move my mouse down to where I have create Dropbox backup, create local backup. I'm going to click on create local backup. You can see I've started creating a backup. Processing status. Please wait 8 seconds. But I want to stop this backup, so I'll click on stop backup. Interrupted progress in backup. All data is lost. Okay, so this is exactly how you can stop your backup that is in progress. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.